Security guard charged after 72-year-old man shot and succumbed to his injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 37-year-old Rajiv Bentley, a security officer of Port Maria St. Mary, was charged with murder following the shooting death of a 72-year-old businessman. The deceased has been identified as Deval Bamberry, a businessman of Anota Bay in St. Mary, who was shot and killed on the Anchovy Maid Road in the parish on Thursday, January the 12th. Reports from the Anota Bay police are that at around 6 p.m., Bamberry was driving a pickup motor truck along the roadway when he was pounced upon by assailants traveling in a Toyota Probox motor car who opened gunfire, hitting him. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Bamberry was seen slumped over in the vehicle, which had run off the road into a nearby gully. The vehicle was searched and over $7 million was found in a bag inside the vehicle. Bamberry was transported to the hospital where his death was confirmed. Following investigative leads, Bentley was arrested and charged on Thursday, December 21, 2023. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.